Let's look at the single roof and the cut roof tool. So let's go to our roof plan. I have some walls already set up that we can apply this to. So what we need to do is go to our roof families, make sure that we're still on our 2/6 roof shingle. It's going to use the properties that were already set up earlier. So I'm going to do single roof, and then I'm going to pick each side of the wall that we're going to put a plane on. And what that does is it plates this correctly where we asked it. So it knows to go at 9 foot 1 1/8 above the plate. So we are set up to go. With this, you can pick in 3D or you can pick in 2D. I'm going to do it in 2D. It's just a little bit easier. And you can also turn off the walls if you'd like. So if you window selected all this, you could go down to the filter and you can do uncheck the walls and say apply. Actually, the other way around. Say apply, and I'm going to type HH for hide. So now that all I have is my roof planes. So to cut roof is going to be a little bit easier. I won't accidentally touch one of the walls. So cut roof is really, you just pick the middle of each piece, and you'll notice these red lines that go out. It tells you how that roof is going to be cut. So it tells me that this piece is not going to touch this piece over here, so I'm going to pick this one to be my next cut. And then my finished cut will be back home where I started. And to keep going, I'm still in the command. I can do the same for this side, and you can go either in clockwise or counter, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to pick this side, pick the one next to it, below it, and come back home and be good. Now these are a little bit different because they do touch each piece that we see. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and I'm just going to go around and pick the others to finish that out. And same goes for this last piece. Just pick all the others, and you can see how fast this could go. So I'm going to hide reset, and that's HR. Let me get out of the command first. HR, hide reset, and then we'll take a look in 3D. There's our roof, and that is this section of the VisionREZ roof tools.